Hello everybody and welcome to the Sandcat channel. My name is Dr. Matthew Chahadi and the sandcat is my favorite species of animal. I think they're very cute looking cat species, and so I have a great interest in presenting to people information about this species of cat. And so today's episode will be all about sandcat illnesses. So why are sandcats susceptible to illnesses? They are the small species of cat, and they've also undergone a loss of genetic diversity, meaning that they've lost certain genes as felines have undergone transition from larger-bodied cat species to smaller-bodied cat species. Similarly, in dogs, poodles have undergone such a loss of genetic diversity and are also susceptible to illnesses. The most prominent illness affecting sandcats is toxoplasmosis, which we'll learn about in quite some detail in the next few slides. Wild sandcats can also catch rabies, so watch out this is also just another reason why maybe you shouldn't have a sandcat as a pet, because they might have these kinds of illnesses. Toxoplasmosis can also affect humans as well. So this is the Toxoplasma gondii parasite. This is its life cycle. Toxoplasma gondii is a single-celled organism. It's a protozoa. So as you can see, that if a cat eats an infected animal such as a rat or a mouse, on the top right, bradyzoites or sporozoites, they are cells with only one set of chromosomes. They infect the lining of the intestine in the cat, and so there are male and female macrogametes. Both of these gametes have only one single set of chromosomes, and when they unify, they become what is known as a diploid cell, which has two sets of chromosomes, and then they form a zygote inside the cell, and then this zygote can become an unsporulated oocyst. And the cells, they start multiplying inside the oocyst. This is excreted in the animal's feces, and if it comes in contact with other animals such as dogs or pigs, or if, for example, if people eat uncooked pork or other types of meat, then humans also can ingest these kinds of can ingest Toxoplasma gondii. It can cause all sorts of neurological disorders in humans. So there is no vaccine against Toxoplasma gondii. However, there is treatment for it. So it's just to be aware that not just sandcats, but also housecats can be affected by Toxoplasma gondii. So this parasite affects all sorts of cats and also sandcats as well. And so, what is the effects of Toxoplasma on sandcats? The parasite can accumulate in the brain and also the liver, causing liver disease. It can also cause lesions or necrosis in these tissues. Toxoplasma can also affect the eyes, damaging vision and causing uncoordinated movement in the cat. Lungs can also be affected, causing labored breathing. And so here's just a diagram of the Toxoplasma gondii cell. It has its typical organelles like a mitochondrion in the middle, and also a nucleus, an inner and an outer plasma membrane. But the tip at the bottom left, it has this conoid. Especially the rophtres and the micronemes. They are two secretory organelles which can secrete proteins and which help the conoid, which is a circular ring-like structure. It helps in the infection of the host cell by Toxoplasma gondii. Here's just some tissue, a microscopic image of tissues. The dark staining show how the Toxoplasma gondii can embed itself inside the cells of different tissues in cats. Cats are the only host which allow for the sexual reproduction of this parasitic cell. So just beware that sandcats have illnesses. They have to be treated, just as domestic house cats can also suffer from this type of disease. And so lastly, please like this video, and also consider donating to our donor box page if you want to see these kinds of videos funded. And so thanks for watching, and have a nice day.